Hello students, we are working out problems from interpolation and extrapolation chapter, that is first method binomial expansion method alli ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. Let us see one more problem from that topic. From the following data, estimate the probable life expectancy of an average Indian for the years 1980 and 2010. The table in the question consists of two datas. The first one is birth year. From 1950 to 2010, birth years has been given. And in the second row, they have given life expectancy in years. So, ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಯರ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ except 1980 and 2010. For the 2 years, the life expectancy data is not given. We have to estimate, we have to find out the values for the 2 years with the help of binomial expansion method. So for that, how do we proceed to solve the problem? Let us take the first two rows as x and y. The given data in the question, let us take it as x and y. X is the birth years and y is the life expectancy. So x, all the years are present, y, two datas are missing in the y. After taking it as x and y, let us assign the values for them starting from y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5 and y6. So once you assign the y numbers for them, count the number of known values. That is, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For 5 years, we know the values of y. Therefore, known values are 5 means we have to take the fifth leading differences. We have to assume the fifth leading differences is equal to 0 anta. That means delta 5 is equals to y minus 1 to the power of 5 is equals to 0. When you expand this formula, y to the power of 5 is equals to 0 antandaga, known values are 5. So you should begin your equation from y5 only. So begin from y5, y4, y3, y2, y1, y0. y5, y4, y3, y2, y1, y0. After writing that, you should see the leading differences table of fifth order. That means for 5, it should be 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. So for already written formula, you add this multiples of 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1 so that it will be 1y5, 5y4, 10y3, 10y2, 5y1 and 1y0 is equals to 0. After that, just put the symbols starting from plus. First digit is positive symbol. Next one is minus. So proceed like that with plus minus, plus minus, plus minus. So you will get the final equation. This is your first equation. In the same manner, you have to prepare one more equation by increasing the values of the suffixes. Suffixes means what? The numbers which you have written next to y, like y0, y1, y2. The first equation we have begin from y5. If you increase the suffixes by one digit, that will become y6. So from y6 you start your second equation. That should be y6, y5, y4, y3, y2, y1. And the last y0 is omitted because we have increased one in the beginning. So that you will get second equation there. Once you get both the equations, start substituting the values. Let us say, for example, we will take the first equation for substitution of values. So y5 you have to take 77, y4 5 into 75.4, y3 we don't know, therefore take 10y3 only, y2 10 into 70.8, y1 69.7, that is 5 into, then last one y0 68.2. So once you simplify this, ಇದನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈಕ್ 5ನ 75.4 ಜೊತೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ದೆನ್ 10 ಇಂಟು 70.8 ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, ಸೊ ಐ ನೋ ದಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಪ್ರಿಟಿ ಕನ್ವೀನಿಯಂಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ 10y3 minus 727.7 is equals to 0. So take that 727.7 to the other side. That is 10y3 equals to 727.7. Now bring the 10 down. So y3 is equals to 727.7 by 10. That should be, you will get y3 equals to 72.7 years. So you got the first answer from your first equation. Go to the next one, second equation. Second equation also you substitute the values. y6 5y5 get 5 into 77, 10y4 get 10 into 75.4, 10y3 get 10 into 72.77, and 5y2 get 5 into 70.8 minus y1 get 69.7. So substitution of values ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು simplify ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ you will be getting the answer y6 equals to 74.4 years. This is your second answer, second missing figure. So I hope you understood. Practice this sum, and if you have any doubts, please call me.